Hi friends, thank you for coming to my channel. And today's video, as you can see in my previous video, we uploaded this app and give the customer reason. After some days, today we are opening this as it has been approved for the review. Review has been completed, so we need to send this app for the production. As you can see, apps is for the access for the process. Process is everywhere. You are making this app available for billion of users later before you apply production play access you run the closer testers it's asking. So we haven't completed, so now we have to be apply for the productions. Just click on here. So same, it is like a access production it is there. So it's the same thing, it is going to ask you about your information, how you experience and how you try to do it and what the difficulty you get it. So it's asking me, how did you recruit users for your closer tester? For example, did you ask your friend and family or use a paid provider? It's like that. So I'm writing the genuine reason here because such a difficult thing has been making. Dear team, as a I am new uh, developer, I face so much problem with this. I ask my friends and family. No one is ready to do the work as they are busy with their works. So when everyone say no to me, then I given some money, then they are ready to install the install the app. And I install the app. So much problem with this tester. So I have given the genuine reason that I have faced a problem. So when family and relative, when I'm asking, nobody is ready to install their application. As you know, your friends and colleagues or even your family members, they are not ready to install your apps because it does not even entertainment for them to that. For why they will going to do the for free of cost. So I have given some money to them, then they have been installed. So I have written like that. You should also say your exact problem to the Google, so they should able to remove your 20 tested services like this. Okay, I had written this here as a complaint to the Google, but we are providing the 20 tester service to all. You can see in our website also. Just I will say, if you need a 20 tester service, just go in our website and you can see here is a 20 tester service are there. So you can take the service from us. So these are the prices are there. If you want, you can able to take that. Just come back to the video. So hand, it is a next option we're going to read. How easy it is recurring the 20 tester for your. It's very difficult. So I haven't taken here as very difficult. Describe the engagement of your recurrent for the testing duration. Uh, it's I will write like some are say it's very easy to use, and some friends say that I need to I am improve the app. Some say it's very easy to use. Some friends say I need to improve the app and change the UI. They say to me in the testing the app. Okay. Uh, Provide some of the user feedback you are required from this. So you can just copy and paste what the discussion engagement. I'm going to copy and paste the same thing because they are asking how you feel and everything improvement. So I've been pasting the same thing. So just click as a next. And who is a interested audience in here? Most of the um, students are interested in the app. It is like in a task application, so that's why most of the students they have been like, describe how what your app's value to the users. It's like a, it's like a time pass app, uh, where they can have the fun and make some points. Okay, how many install you are expecting for your first year? So I'm just writing, I don't know, because you can't able to expect how many your installations get, so just we can write it here. Just click on the next. And what the changes do you make in your app basic on what you learned during your closer? uh, I was able to see what users are in my app. How did you decided your app is ready for production? uh, as I see that my friends are liking the app, so I want to share this app with everyone so they can have the fun in the app. So these are the things you need to write. So how you decided your app is ready for another. As I say that, as I see that my friends are liking the app, so I want to share this app with the everyone on they can have a fun with the app. Okay, just then apply here. So after apply, it's going to take your application is in production to access. You will record the application by the email. It's take like nearly like a 7 days. Again in the second 7 days, you need to what you have to do. You need to wait for 7 days. So again, you will going to get one more form. So the next form you have to release a version 2 and then again send for the review. So that video also you can find in my description, or you can see in the up there is a link is there. I request you all you people to please see my complete video, and you can able to understand how next step also is there. But up next video also I will going to make how to do. If you need a 20 tester service, just go in our website and go on the 20 testers, and here is the settings how you have to do and publish and everything. So you can able to see here, and here is the prices order. Just place the order here. So you will going to redirect the payment gateway. So then you have to make the payment, and that's it. So you will going to get it, and you this is the thing. And if you go back also, you can see is in the upcoming status will be there here. Okay, so it's take quite time to complete here. So please I request you to please wait, and keep it and be active with us, so you can see in the all the videos like this. Okay, I hope you like our video. If you are really like, please share with your friends and colleagues, and please like and subscribe to our video, and I request you please subscribe to our video. Okay, thank you so much.